Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's going to be a very exciting one anyway for me. And I always wanted to try this cake, and now I had a chance to do it. And it's the aluminum foiled papers crunched up texture cake, and so easy to make. And if you guys want to learn how to make this a beautiful cake, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, you can subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. product. As you can see, it was so simple to make. All you need really is chocolate and aluminum foil, and you get this really wow effect. What I think pointers that I can give you is make sure your aluminum foil, there's different thickness to it. Make sure that it's quite thick so it's easier to move and wrap your cake with. And when you spread your chocolate on top of your aluminum foil, make sure that once it's spread, first of all, that it's spread evenly, and make sure to leave it on your counter for a little bit before you cover your cake, or else it's just gonna drip everywhere and it's gonna be a hot mess. So, and then it's gonna be difficult to just remove it from your cake board. So that's a little pointer that I have to give you. And another thing that I found was easier is make sure to chill your cake before you do the cake wrapping with the aluminum foil. And when I say chill, it's like 5 to 10 minutes. You don't want it to be hard as a rock. You just want the buttercream to be hard a little bit. And then you cover with your foil. Make sure that your foil is either the same height as your cake or a little bit higher. And then what I did also is I painted it with edible metallic paint. There's a lot of edible metallic paints out there, FYI, that are so nice and shiny, and you're like, oh wow, but they're not edible and they're not approved. I use this by Rainbow Dust. The link will be down below in my description box. This is not a sponsored video. I just like the product. I mean, hey, if they want to sponsor me, you can go ahead and sponsor me, Rainbow Dust, but it's not sponsored. I just really like the product, and it's like already as a liquid, and I like it. I think it's a UK product, and I'm in Canada. I can have this very easily. If you're in the States, you can have it very easily too. And it's, see, 100% edible. So very important that you have a metallic paint that is edible. So this is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.